Okay, today I'm going to show you, everybody, a knife that was custom made for me by a good friend of mine. Let me pull out. This is a custom made knife made of A2 steel, which are real good in sharpness and blade retention. The handle is with it's a wooden handle with stainless steel dowel. The guard itself, the knife guard, it's a samurai type of knife guard. Exactly what I was looking for. The knife itself is about 18 inches long, and I request that this knife be made with a combination of a Hmong knife and a Thai knife. So it has both type of blade on it. One is for chopping, for power chopping, and the other one is for slicing. The tip is not too sharp, which we don't need it anymore. But this is not stainless steel. It's a convex sharp type. This knife is very sharp, and I'm not kidding when I say sharp. What else is on this knife? The sheath is custom made also by my good friend. That's the sheath. Yeah, another thing about this knife is that it's custom made for me, so I'm the only one that has it. And this knife will shave facial hair. Not Kenya, it will shave facial hair. So it's sharp. It's one of a kind. I'm the only one that has it. And it's made by a buddy of mine in Ohio. So that's what I want to show you guys. And this knife is going hunting with me tonight.